10 minus 2 gives us 8, and again 10 minus 2 gives us 8, and 8 times 8 is equal to 64. But this answer is wrong, because according to the order of operation PEMDAS, which I am going to write here, PEMDAS, so P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. So according to this rule, the first thing we should solve is parentheses, and then after we solve all the parentheses, we are allowed to move to exponent, and then after we solve all the exponent, only then we are allowed to move to multiplication and division, right? So multiplication and division have similar priority, and then after we solve all the multiplication and division problem, only then we are allowed to move to addition and subtraction after all. So their priority looks like this. The first priority, the first thing to solve is parentheses. The second priority, the second thing to solve is exponent, and then the third thing to solve is multiplication, and then finally we are allowed to move and solve addition or subtraction. So the thing is, if we solve subtraction before multiplication, that is wrong. It will violate the rule of order of operation PEMDAS. So let's go back into our problem. So here we have a subtraction, two subtractions and one multiplication. So according to the rule, we have to solve the multiplication before subtraction, right? So 2 times 10 gives us 20. So 10 minus 20 minus 2 is going to be the equation, and now we can simply operate left to right. So 10 minus 20 gives us negative 10, and negative 10 minus 2 is equal to negative 12. So the final answer to this question is negative 12.